This will be an unboxing of a NATIKA backup camera. Came in a pretty nice box. WD-011. Assuming that's the model number. We'll see. So it came with actually pretty good instructions. I bought this on Amazon. I think it was it's close to $40, maybe like 38 or 37. Actually, really good instructions. And whole page on the back as well. So, just a little review. I want you to give them a good review on Amazon, of course. Put the camera in a little foam sock here to protect it on shipping. So this is one of the style of cameras. It's got the wires here. You cut these wires to change different functions of the camera. And then it has the all-in-one plug here. Sends power and video signal and everything through that cord. Big old bundle here, this one. So here's the receiving end for this. I'm going to put this together and then we can do a little demo also. Okay, there's that. So what else is in the box? Probably some super cheap electrical tape. Now these are kind of cool. It comes with shims. So you can change the angle when you mount it. You can actually shim it out to a different angle. That's a really nice feature. Body panel removal tool. And some wire taps. And some zip ties. I believe that's it. Oh no, got the screw. That I mean, and then double-sided tape to attach it. So it's a pretty inclusive kit here. I was hoping it said how long those wires are. It says this bundle here is 26-foot standard extension cable. But I'll definitely put the exact model number and everything in the video description so you can take a look at it if you want. So right now we will hook it up for a demonstration. Got my 12-volt power and ground here from power supply. Okay, here's what I'm going to be connecting to. EasyCap. This is a little analog converter from analog to USB. And then from here, I'm going to go to a adapter cable here, and then I'm going to go to an old phone, maybe. So there's two apps. They both actually work on, this is an Android phone. So just at the Google Play Store, I'm going to try FP Viewer. Okay, that'll be ready to display once everything is connected here. Okay, so that power, I believe this other wire needs to be connected to power also. Yeah, this one right here. Head unit trigger wire. Shows it as an optional. We can try it without it first. Power, ground's connected, video all the way, everything's connected. Let's go this way a little bit more. Turn on the power. Kind of hard to, I mean, you're not going to be able to tell the video quality probably very well. I mean, it looks pretty decent. I mean, for just to get your idea of what you're backing into, that should be plenty detailed. Of course, we're in full light here, so in the darkness, I don't know how well it's going to show up. Probably, I mean, we'll just do an update video when I install it. So, this is how I was hoping to install it in my truck, going through this EasyCap to a tablet installed in my console. Turn it off here. Yeah, I was planning to go from, use this same setup, USB video, and go to a tablet. Add an extra HD Fire. Yeah, Amazon HD Fire 8. I was planning to use this for the monitor. But those applications that I showed you for the EasyCap, once you start them, they just crashes the tablet, so we'll have to figure out something else. I may use this extra phone just as a monitor, or I might have to set it up for my regular daily carry phone. So, thanks for watching.